The Fern Table is the culmination of many years of designing and building with various materials and processes. In designing the table, we stuck to three main principles: functionality, longevity, and aesthetic. We wanted to create a table that required zero tools to set up, but also laid as flat as possible for shipping and ease of handling. The legs of the table have a simple yet useful hinge system that enables them to fold inwards and lay flat, with a special locking system to keep them in place. Fern takes less than a minute to set up and can be easily disassembled and moved. The planter insert in the middle can be easily removed, and we have even added a small drip tray on the underside of the steel box to capture excess water to prevent overwatering. The steel is powder coated for durability, and the wood is finished with a low VOC penetrating oil to ensure the table will last for many years to come. Fern comes in two shapes and two wood variations, and the planter insert comes in black or white. Every table is carefully crafted in our shop in San Marcos, Texas. Much of the materials used are sustainably sourced from local mills in the area. The Fern Table brings an aesthetically pleasing design matched with functionality into the home.